Only 6 words.
అదే అంటున్నా సౌండ్ చేస్తున్నా.
Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. And now we are going to discuss about our the concept of vectors and as well as the scalars. Yesterday we already discussed it, vectors and scalars and how to represent the vectors and as well as the scalars. And one more thing, there is a whatever the vectors are there, whatever the scalars are there, what its properties and what the difference between them. Yesterday we already completed. Yes, you know very well what is the vectors, what is the scalars. Vectors are nothing but what? Vectors are nothing but what? Vector is one of the physical quantity which contain both magnitude and as well as the direction. Which contain both magnitude and as well as the direction. Scalar is nothing but yes, which one is not a contain, okay na? Yes, direction, but it is a contain only the magnitude. That is a called what? That is a called the scalar. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, how to represent it and as well as everything we already completed. Okay. Yeah. Now we are going to discuss about there is our remaining form. Listen all the students here. The page number. Now take a page number. Practice sheet 1. In this practice sheet 1, we already yesterday completed up to level 2 questions. Now, up to level 2 questions we are completed. Now we are going to the level 3 questions. Yes, level 3, page number 36. Page number 36. Okay, now there is the 11th question. 11th question. What is the 11th question here? And this is the following is an example of a vector quantity. This is the following is an example of a vector quantity. Which one is the following is the vector quantity? Yes, there is a temperature, velocity, volume, mass. Okay, all the students, how sir, we don't know about this all the quantities, sir, physical quantities. Till now in the 6th class, we don't know about what is the nature of that quantities. That then how can we ZDTs contain a magnitude only? How can ZDTs contain a direction only? How can it is contain consider it is as a both only? Yeah, simple thing. Analyze in your general way only. Suppose temperature is there. The temperature is a property of the whole body, not a single place. It is. We call it is not a single place. Already I have given explanation for you. You got a fever. You got a fever. When you got a fever, at that time, the temperature of the body is the same in all the part or otherwise somewhat heat, somewhat less. No. Sir, then why there is a doctor is taken at mouth or otherwise at underarms only that our whatever our thermometer. Yeah, there is whatever the inner body temperature is there, that will be get at that particular place only. Okay, clear or not? It will be same in inner body, whatever the temperature is there here. Okay, that is why there is no need of any direction to measure the temperature. There is no need of any direction to the temperature. Okay, clear or not? There is just it is enough magnitude 98.4 degrees centigrade, 4 degree Fahrenheit. Like that it is enough. Understood or not? It is? Yes. And that is the whole body property. No direction is required. Okay, head side is this much of temperature is there. Hand side is this much temperature is there. Leg side is this much temperature is there. It is not a correct. Nah? Yes, when you take a rice, okay, overall rice particles are contain the same temperature or not? Somewhat it is less. Okay, now one whatever you take a piece of rice, somewhat it is the contain one temperature, another in a one bowl the contain it is same temperature or not? Yes, it will be same. When you take a milk, through the glass, the milk is a contain same temperature or not? Okay, now yes, somewhat at the bottom it is a heat, and at the mouth whatever there for you it will be contain somewhat a less heat. No, overall milk is a contained same temperature. No required any direction. Just it is enough. What? What is enough? What is enough? Magnitude is only enough. That's why it is a scalar. And yesterday we already discussed about mass and as well as the value already I am shown. Okay, clear or not? Yesterday I am shown a chalk-piece box. It will be contain your room, your classroom. It is a contain length, breadth, and height. You know, whatever the direction you are measure it is the same one for a particular instant. Okay, na? L into B into H is a called a value. There is no need of any direction to measure it. Okay, na? Clear or not? You want to describe about any particular physical quantity, no need of any particular direction. It is enough the magnitude. That is only called as what it is. That is only called as scalar. And when you require direction also, suppose you take in our this question velocity. Velocity is required direction compulsory. Otherwise, it is not possible to. Okay, na? Yes, specify that velocity. Got it or not? In which direction the velocity is there? In what direction the velocity is there? Okay, that is only we are taking it is. Okay, got it? Velocity is what answer it is? Velocity. The vector quantity is what here? Velocity. Okay, that is the B. And next, 12th point. 12th one. Here, the magnitude of vector is what? The magnitude of vector is, okay, now, yes, that is a scalar and a vector and both A and B, neither A or nor B. Okay, now, yes, what is the become magnitude of one vector? So, very, very important. Okay, clear or not? Suppose we retain the velocity is 30 meter per second in a east direction. We written like that. 30 meter per second in east direction. Got it? Yes, 30 meter per second. What is 30? What is this 30? Magnitude. Okay, that is why this part is called what? Scalar. In a vector, compulsory scalar is there. Yesterday I have given this information. In a vector, the whatever the magnitude is there, that is the represent the scalar of that vector. But in the scalar, there is no vector. In the scalar, there is any vector is there? No. But in the vector, there is one scalar is there. That scalar is this. That scalar is this. Suppose. Okay. The answer is what? Answer is A. That is what? The answer is A. Yes. The magnitude of a vector is represent the scalar action. Got it? Got it or not? And next, 13th one. What is the 13th question here? This is the following represent the vector quantity. These of the following represent vector quantity. Which one is the vector quantity? Which one is the vector quantity here? Yes, there is a is a given, B is a given, C is a given, D bar is a given. Okay, now they represent a vector in the D. Answer D as a D bar. Remaining are simply bilateral. When the simply bilateral represent, it is not a called a vector. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It is not a called a vector. When we write an arrow mark above that, okay, now letter, okay, now that is only called as vector. Got it or not? That is only called as a vector. Understood? Yes, this is the 13th question. Answer. 14th one. Okay, now what is the 14th one here? This of the following is our scalar. This following is our scalar. Which one is the scalar here? Okay, multi question is the multi answer question here. There is a which one is the scalar here? The answer is C option. The answer is a C. Okay, and the force is a vector only. Weight is also one such type of a force. That is also vector only. And as well as velocity is also vector. Okay, now work, energy. Okay, these all are not called vectors. Okay, clear or not? Yes, this is only about the 14th one. And next come to the 15th one. 15th. Whatever 15th one it is there. Choose the wrong one among the following. Choose the wrong one among the following. What is that? Yes, mass has only value and direction. Mass has only have and value and direction. Okay, now electrical charge has only a value, no direction. Force has a value and direction. Weight has a value and direction. Okay, clear or not? Value means what? Magnitude. Yes, and now there is already we discussed it so many times. Force is a vector or scalar. Okay, the force is a vector and as well as the scalar. It is a vector. Okay, now weight is a vector or scalar. It is a vector. Okay, clear or not on the student? And as well as the weight is a vector or scalar. Vector it is. Which one it is then? Mass has only the magnitude, only the value, no direction. Okay, now you are not east side is the 60 kgs. Okay, now yes, west side is the 30 kgs. Like that, it is not possible to say. Overall mass is the same. Mass is nothing but quantity contained by the body. Matter quantity contained by the overall body we are considered here. Single we are not considered here. The mass is not called like that. That is not individually we are not taken. Individual direction we are not taken. Just we are taken what? Just we are taken overall body. Okay, clear or not on this? That is why it is not a contain any direction. It contain only value. Okay, clear or not? It is a contain only value. Yes, that is only the 15th question answer is 15th question answer is A only. Okay. Yes. That's all the students. Please note down the all answers up to level 3. Yeah, all the different branch coordinators are all the teachers. Please on your video. Okay, now please on your video. Otherwise, I am complaint to the head office on that particular branch. So many times I'm reminding. I want to about the time of practice sheet at last. You on your videos. It is a possible. If it is not a possible, whatever the coordinator teacher is there at that time, you connect through the Zoom. Okay, now and you on the video in case any student have a doubt or otherwise I want to ask somewhat of questions. Please give the choice to them. At that time only our program becomes success. So many times I beg you. As a teacher, I am beg you so many times, but till now there is no one is on there is video. What is your problem? No one is answered the questions. Then how can you know? Alwal KTS branch, please on your video. What is the problem? If it is a camera is not available, the teacher is available. The teacher contain a mobile and the Zoom you connect through the Zoom. The teacher connect through the Zoom, and when the students are appear, if they have a doubt, they are interact with me or a sir. Yeah, we already completed. There is a level 3 questions. Till also no one is ready to on the videos. Then I want to discuss with the coordinator sirs. It is not a correct way. Take initiation for success of this program. Malkajgiri KTS, Lothukunta branch. You should all compulsory. You are the teacher is there or not on that particular class. If it is not a possible by the TV, through the mobile, you have to on that particular classroom. And at that time, they interact with me. The students are interact with me. Yeah. Next. After this. After this, there is the advanced questions are there. Advanced practice questions are there. Advanced practice sheet it is. Next, here there is a whatever the assertion and the reasoning question is there. First question, assertion and as well as the reasoning question. And here, what the assertion they given? The quantity, the physical quantity which do not follow the simple algebraic rules are vectors. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That is a given one statement. What the statement they given? The statement given as the physical quantity which do not follow simple algebraic rules are vectors. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Here, that is a correct statement or not? Correct statement or not? Yeah, it is a correct statement only. Okay, now whatever the vectors when you take it is that physical quantities compulsory required some special algebraic. Okay, now yes, special algebraic things already yesterday we are discussing. Dot product or a cross product like that it is. Okay, now and the next vector quantities has only magnitude but no direction. Okay, now it is a wrong state. Okay, now the given what? Assertion is a true, reason is the false. Okay, the answer is 3. Okay, the answer is C. Okay, the question, the one question answer is C. Okay, now whatever advanced practice sheet is there in that one, answer for that it is a C. Okay, why it is C? Why? Because vector contain both the magnitude and as well as the direction. Not only the magnitude, not only the direction. And as well as we want to do any mathematical operation or algebraic operations, we require not a simple mathematics operations. We require some special operations are required, not a simple summation, simple addition, simple multiplication, simple division. Is not a correct way for a vector mathematical whatever mathematical applications are there, vector purpose. Okay, that is why it is a wrong concept. Whatever they given, it is a correct only. The physical quantity which is do not simply follows the algebraic rules, that is a called a vector. In case it is simple algebraic follows, it is a called scalar. It is a called what? A scalar. Okay, and that is the thing. Next, second question. That is a linked comprehensive type things are given here. Linked comprehensive type. Statement of a scalar just consists of its magnitude along with the proper algebraic signature, proper algebraic sign. Okay, a statement of a scalar just consists of its magnitude along with a proper algebraic sign. Okay, now yes, what they given? Scalar just consists its magnitude along with the proper algebraic sign. Among the following the quantity which is not a scalar. Okay, now scalar is a contain only the magnitude and units. That's it. But no direction they specified. If your direction is specified, it is not a scalar. Okay, now there is a whatever given in the D answer. They given 13 meters due north. Okay, now that is not a scalar. It is a vector. Okay, clear or not? It is a vector. Got it? It is a vector. Second one is the answer is D. And they given like this not 20 kg. It is a scalar or vector? Yeah, it is a scalar. And as well as they given just 15 meters. Not a given any specified direction. It is a distance or a length. That's why it is a scalar. Okay, and as well as the 40 seconds, it is a time. Okay, clear or not? It is also scalar. But exactly they given 13 meters due to the north. Okay, clear or not? It is a called what? It is a called what? Actually, it is a called a vector. Okay, now clear or not, all the students? And that is why it is not a scalar. The answer is what? D. And third one. Whatever third one it is there. Okay, now yes. What is the third thing? The scalar of 10 kg towards earth. Okay, clear or not? The scalar of 10 kg towards earth is. Okay, now 5 kgs, 17 grams, 10 kgs, 10 kgs towards moon. Okay, they given like that. They given what actually the scalar of 10 kg towards earth is how much it is. Okay, now they given what it will become towards the earth it is actually. How much it is. Okay, now. Yes, any changes are occurring here? No. Okay, clear or not all the students? Any changes are occurs here? No. That is the answer is the same 10 kg only. Okay, clear or not? There is no change in the scalar. Na? Scalar is the changes. When it will become towards the earth, it will be changes. Okay, now it will become like this. It is now this is the changes. No, it is not changes. It is a become 5 kgs. It will become 17 kgs. And here it is big. It is a going towards moon. Okay, when it will be going towards moon, it will be changes the scalar. Okay, when it will be going towards moon, there is a weight is the changes. Now there is not a changes here that remain as like that only. That's why the third answer is okay. Now C. The third answer is C1. Got it or not? Yes, the third answer is C. Yeah. Next, consider we are here. What is that? After this of the following is not a vector. Okay. In this one, there is one of the scalar quantity they given. Now, fourth question. What is that? Fourth question here we consider. Yes, mass is a given, weight is a given, velocity is a given, force is also given. Okay, now what is that? There is a mass. Already so many times we have discussed it. That is the mass. Fourth answer is A. Fourth answer is A here. Okay, multi-region type questions are given here. There is a more than one answers are also there in that. Okay, fifth question and as well as the sixth question they given here. Fifth question and sixth question. This of the following are scalars. These are following are the scalars. What are the scalars? Length, mass, temperature, and as well as the velocity. Okay, now which one is the scalar? So many times we are discussing mass only. Fellows, not mass. Yes. So many are mass. They'll answer only correct. No. At last you message me. Okay, clear or not? All the branch students answer message me. Yeah, there is a what? Length is also. Temperature is also. Okay, na? Not only one answer. It is a multi-type answer questions. Na? More than one answers are get as an option for you. The answers are A, B, and as well as C. A, B, and C. These all are answers only. Okay, clear or not? Not one answer. All are answers only. These are. Okay, next. After this, vectors among the following. Vectors among the following is what? Pressure, thrust, density, linear momentum. Okay, clear or not all the students? Pressure, thrust, and as well as the density, and as well as the linear momentum, and as well as the thrust. Both are B and as well as the D. Somewhat difficult it is. Thrust is nothing but one type of a force only. Okay, now that is also one type of a force. That is why force is a vector. It is also vector only. Density is not a vector. You already discussed it. Density is nothing but what? Number of molecules contained for a value. Okay, now it will be not take a direction for it. Okay, just we are taken a overall number only. Okay, that is a magnitude only. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is why we are taken a B and as well as the D are answers. B and as well as the D answers here. Sixth question. Yeah, next the given part. Mark the following is given. The seventh one. Mark the following is given. What they given here? The given scalar. Okay, now what is the A, B, C, and as well as the D? Scalar they given. And the next they given as magnitude and direction. magnitude and direction. Next one, cannot be added algebraically. Next vector. Yes, what is the answers for it actually? Okay, when you take these match the following, there is a given. Okay, now what is the scalar in that? Okay, now what is the scalar? It is there, match with that. Okay, now distance is the scalar only, and as well as the speed is also okay scalar only. But which one is the correct? We are taking this. Okay, now has a magnitude and as well as the direction and the vector. Okay, now multi answers only it is also. Okay, now yes, and a scalar is nothing but you have to write there is the two things. Yes, and you have to write here Q and as well as the what R. Both are answers only for it. Match the following purpose. Okay, now yes, Q and as well as the R. Both are answers only. Next, what we have considered has a magnitude and as well as the directions. Okay, now yes, P and as well as the yes, both are answers only here. Vector is nothing but P and S, and as well as it is a Q and R. Cannot be added algebraically. Sorry, cannot be added algebraically. That is the what P and as well as S only. Okay, simply it is not possible to add. All are P and S only. Just one is the Q and R answer. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, there is a two answers are there. Two scalars are given. Speed and as well as the distance both are the scalars only. And has a magnitude and direction. The velocity and the force both are contained. Magnitude and direction, they are a vectors. They are not added easily algebraically. That's why there is answers for these three. Yes, velocity and force both are there considered. Got it? This is only about our today's concepts. Yes, the first lecture one is completed in a vectors and as well as the scalars. Yes, all the students, you have any doubts? You have any doubts, please? From branch wide, I want to ask you at last you answer me. You have doubt or not? Why? Because lesson completed. Okay. Capra branch students, you have any doubts? Capra branch students. Capra branch students, you have any doubts? Siddipet branch. Siddipet branch students, you have any doubts? Please interact with me. Lesson completed already. Malkagiri branch. It looks like Pranita. MMS branch. It's a 454228. Suraram branch. Ayappa Society branch. Alval branch. It's a Rackal branch. I thought. Have any doubts? Yeah. Students, there is actually you are taking this as class. Very important concept of scalars and vectors. Yes. Select today, treat this work actually whatever there, and you write in your home as to what is scalar and what is vector, and example scalar and examples for vector. At last you collect 10 examples for the scalar, 10 examples for the vector. mass, time, length, density, and the next component is what here we consider after this. You have to write what is the representation of vector. And then after you write in your homework what is the difference between what are the differences between vector and other. Okay, you have to write it in the homework of IIT notes. Yes, you must and should compulsory complete these notes, and as well as must and should you are complete these all whatever the practice things are there. Okay, once again see the practice things, why that is only answer, why the remaining things are not answers. Okay, clear or not? Yes, you check it is why it is not answer, why it is only answer. At that time only it will be complete. Just you take it is a B, C, D like that, it is only now 4 answers are not a issue. Here, why it is answer? Why answer is C only? Why answer not D it is? What is the reason? You have to should know. Okay, clear? In the math of following, why there is a this P and S only answers means what velocity and as well as the force. Why only we have taken here? Why? Because it is a magnitude and direction both are contained. They are vectors. The reason you have to should know compulsory. Okay, clear or not? When you answered in IIT foundations, you should know the reasons. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is only the thing. Complete lecture 1 totally. So, and next week we are going with the lecture 2. Okay, now up to that, whatever wherever you get the more questions, you complete it. Okay, clear or not? Thank you.